7 trucks to steer clear of in 2024. Let's face it, new trucks are like designer jeans. Expensive, stylish, but sometimes leave you feeling a little ripped off. We get it, you love the idea of a brand new ride. But hold on to your hubcaps. Today at Car Computer Exchange, we're swerving you away from 7 trucks that might leave you wishing you cruised on a skateboard instead. Don't worry, we'll explain why and steer you towards some smoother sailing. What's up, gearheads and car connoisseurs? Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, your one-stop shop for all things fun, affordable, and reliable on 4 wheels. Today we're swerving away from some shiny new rides and peeling back the curtain on 7 trucks that might leave you feeling more meh than muscle. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's avoid some automotive heartbreak. Let's face it, most new trucks these days are pretty darn good. They're comfortable, powerful, and packed with tech. But even in this golden age of trucks, a few stink bombs manage to sneak through the cracks. Today we're here to help you dodge those metaphorical potholes and steer clear of the trucks that might leave you feeling like you bought a lemon. 2023 Toyota Tacoma. A great truck stuck in the past. Look, the 2023 Tacoma is a fantastic truck. It's reliable, capable, and has a loyal following for a reason. But here's the thing. The all-new 2024 Tacoma is basically a superhero compared to its older sibling. Imagine you're at a car dealership, ready to drop some cash on a Tacoma. The salesperson shows you the 2023, a solid choice, but then unveils the 2024 with a more powerful hybrid engine, a sleeker design, and a truckload of new tech features, all for a similar price tag. Now, some of you might be muttering about disliking the idea of a hybrid engine in a truck, but here's the thing. This isn't your grandpa's Prius drivetrain. Take it for a spin, and you might be surprised by the smooth power and unexpected fuel efficiency. Trust me, it's worth a test drive before you write it off. The Ford F-1 150 Lightning, a storm of issues. The electric truck revolution was supposed to be a thunderclap of excitement, and the Ford F-150 Lightning certainly had the initial spark. But lately it's been more like a series of sputters and coughs. Multiple recalls, stop sale orders, and real-world towing capabilities that fall far short of the hype have left many Lightning owners feeling more like beta testers than satisfied customers. Remember that YouTube video of Tyler Hoover trying to tow a thimble-sized trailer with his Lightning and barely making it 30 miles? Yeah, not exactly the towing prowess Ford advertised. The truth is, if you need a reliable workhorse that can actually haul stuff, the Lightning might not be your best bet. Plus, that hefty price tag stings even more when you consider the truck's current shortcomings. 2024 Jeep Gladiator. Off-road beast, on-road bummer. The 2024 Gladiator boasts some impressive off-road upgrades, making it a rock-crawling champion. But the moment you take it off the dirt path and onto the highway, things get a little bumpy, literally and figuratively. The Gladiator's stiff suspension translates to a jarring ride on pavement, and the steering feels more like it's connected to a weather vane than the front wheels. Let's not forget the questionable build quality and low JD Power initial quality ratings, which aren't exactly confidence boosters. Sure, if you spend most of your weekends scaling mountains, the Gladiator might be your perfect match. But for anyone who wants a truck that can handle both the trails and the daily commute, this Jeep might leave you feeling like you just rode a mechanical bull for an hour. 2024 Nissan Frontier. Stuck in neutral. The Nissan Frontier isn't a bad truck by any means. It's got a decent engine and a comfortable interior. But in the fiercely competitive world of mid-sized trucks, decent just doesn't cut it anymore. The Frontier lags behind its rivals in terms of towing capacity and feels a bit behind the times when it comes to features. Sure, the new hardbody edition might look cool, but under the hood, it's pretty much the same truck we've seen for years. If you're looking for a truck that offers the latest tech, impressive towing muscle, and a modern feel, the Frontier might leave you feeling like you're stuck in neutral while the competition races past. 2024 Ford Ranger. Unless you find a leftover 2023 deal. Hold on a sec, Ford. We were just talking about the Lightning. Don't worry, the 2024 Ranger is actually a significant improvement over the 2023 model. It's got a more powerful engine, a beefed-up towing capacity, and a whole lot of new tech. The reason the Ranger made this list? The price hike. Don't get me wrong, the upgrades are worth it. But if you can snag a good deal on a leftover 2023 Ranger, you'll get a solid truck without breaking the bank. Just make sure you don't miss out on all the cool new features. All right, everyone, mid-video check-in time. Let's be honest, who here would actually choose a truck based on its cup holder design? But seriously, hit the comments and let me know which truck on this list surprised you the most. Or maybe you have a truck you think deserves a spot in the avoid zone. Don't be shy, and hey, while you're at it, smash that like button harder than a truck tries to parallel park. We'll be right back after the break. 2024, Hyundai Santa Cruz, more like a maybe next year truck. The Hyundai Santa Cruz is kind of like that friend who constantly promises they'll totally get their act together next year. The 2024 model year brings a few minor updates, but let's be honest, they're about as exciting as watching paint dry. You might get a slightly flashier infotainment system or some sportier trim options, but for the most part, it's the same truck as 2023. Here's the thing, those 2023 models are likely going to be heavily discounted to make room for the new ones. So unless you're absolutely smitten with the new XRT trim, and let's face it, there are cooler XRTs out there, you're probably better off snagging a sweet deal on a leftover 2023 and saving some cash for, actual truck stuff. 2024 Lordstown Endurance, the wait and see gamble. The Lordstown Endurance is the new kid on the block, a shiny electric truck promising to revolutionize the game. But before you jump on the bandwagon and pre-order one with your life savings, there are a few things to consider. Lordstown Motors, the company behind the Endurance, has been facing some serious financial hurdles. Imagine buying a truck and then having trouble finding someone to fix a flat tire because the dealership went out of business. That's the kind of potential headache you might be looking at. On top of that, production delays have plagued the Endurance, raising concerns about the company's manufacturing capabilities. Think about it. Would you trust your brand new phone if it was the first one ever made by a company with no track record? The technology in the Endurance might be promising, but as the early adopter, you might end up being the beta tester for someone else's dream. Alright folks, that's it for our list of trucks that might leave you feeling more like you bought a rusty F-150 from a sketchy Craigslist ad than a conquering off-road beast. Remember, a truck should be an extension of your adventurous spirit, not a source of constant frustration. So before you head to the dealership with dreams of hauling mountains or at least groceries, do your research, avoid these potential pitfalls, and hopefully you'll end up with a truck that's as reliable as your favorite pair of worn-in hiking boots. Speaking of reliable things, if you want to stay up to date on all things automotive, from the latest truck trends to the coolest car tech, smash that subscribe button and join the Car Computer Exchange fam. We've got more car content than a monster truck rally, and trust us, it's way less dusty. Until next time, happy adventuring.